62nd Street. Transfer is available to the N train. This is an express station. The elevator is short of the platform.
This seems just a little bit better than just like the standard metal axle official Lego ones. They're about the same. I guess like the only real issue right now the official Lego ones don't, you couldn't have that spinning stuff. And you can do it with the motor. If you have whichever wheel.
This is a Coney Island, Stillwell Avenue bound D train. The next stop is 71st Street.
Dan will close the door, please.
Yeah, so I'm making because in order to make my cars motorized, so I have to cut some waste plates in order to keep that truck together, because if they didn't have that on the bottom of the motor, the tool was just too much, it just really doesn't work. So I use cut and paste plates and obviously a lot of people don't want to do that.
Riding outside of the car is dangerous. We want you to be safe. Ride inside, stay alive.
I saw that video, yeah.
This is 71st Street.
Right. Oh, God. It's not going to go in service.
This is a Coney Island, Stillwell Avenue bound D train. The next stop is 79th Street.
Stand clear of the closing doors, please.
That's the metal axle. So you just swap straight in. Those are like two. So they got like two technical. Yeah. He's got like breaks in half with axles. No, it's gonna be that. Yeah, I think we'll do it again. I was going to catch an 18 that I was going to go down there, but the train is fucked up. This train got canceled. Yeah, we're going to.
This is 79th Street.
Yeah, so reversible, like, you just really gotta see your stuff. So on like Instagram, people who search and don't find it, they'll buy it. But it's not like it takes a while.
This is a Coney Island, Stillwell Avenue
Yeah, you gotta pay
bound
for
D
PayPal or you
train.
set up like
The
Stripe,
next
which I
stop
haven't
is
done.
18th Avenue.
Stand clear of the closing doors, please.
Here it is. This is what the bar motorized. That's a ton here. Yeah, it's quite the mess under there. But yeah, this is all official Lego. The base plates are good. It's pretty much the pretty much. And then on the inside, it's got. I don't think I have to do the inside, but it's got like a regular motor with its gears going down into it. We should definitely do that at some point. Actually, the first order for the 60s. Yeah, I'd like that. You know, I was thinking, taking my
This is 18th Avenue.
That's what's the point. If you could like bring some trash, make like it's got that wide platform, but at the same time, it's like that's what they want. Yeah, we always west. Absolutely. Yeah, they're. Well, it's somebody else with inside. I'll tell you that.
This is a Coney Island, Stillwell Avenue bound D train. The next stop is 20th Avenue.
Stand clear of the closing doors, please.
Yeah. Right. There's this guy who have you seen? He's like, he does like a Paris metro. He's got one that's got a crank on the top. Twisting.
This is 20th Avenue.
Yo, so I'm gonna go with this gentleman right here, so I'll catch you later.
It's great. Oh, he's like, yeah, I have no idea.
Yo, Lego. Yo, you getting off here? No. Okay.
Right. Because I think
I'll be getting off the side, but I'll reach one.
This is a Coney Island, Stillwell Avenue bound D train. The next stop is Bay Parkway.
Stand clear of the closing doors, please.
I feel like you could probably like time the doors.
Yes.
Oh, that's really cool.
Funny enough, I actually got this quick.
Oh yeah. That's such a strength.
Okay, so
Yeah. We're probably gonna come back soon.
This is Bay Parkway. Transfer to the D82 Select Bus Service. This is an accessible station. The elevator is at the center of the platform. This is a Coney Island, Stillwell Avenue bound D train.
So I know that MTA, they confirmed
The Coney Island D train, next stop is 25th Avenue. Stay clear of the closing doors, please.
yeah, because I know there's going to be no more 46.
no, they're just gonna send out the worst D trains to grab, and then the remaining D train on ours to the NR. The side of it's gonna happen. They're gonna move to Coney Island.
Right. What I'm really curious about is the Franklin show. Because what I'm thinking is they're doing that 4-set test with a 5-set. If they're doing that, it's not hard to make a 3-card set. And they'll just have a few of those. But probably not so much.
Even though all the clubs are in service, so why are they rebuilding 5 years?
We might see some 211s and 216s on the show. That'll be yeah. Right. That was something they put it on the end since it's on wheels. Yeah. Then what was it back in 2024? They said something about 60 on the shuttle. Like not in service, but they sent like a 4-car 60 on the shuttle. I'm not sure what that was about.
This was more speculation for the
This is a Coney Island, Stillwell Avenue bound D train. The next stop is Bay 50th Street.
Stand clear of the closing doors, please.
Oh, you got it at 9th Avenue. Was that today?
No, that was actually.
Okay, that was like to the baseball.
It wasn't on the day of the parade.
Oh, okay, yeah. So, not many people were around.
It was only like 10.
Sounds about right.
Because everyone else was going to see people.
Right. Yeah, I went out late. I didn't go last year, though. Yeah, I think I saw you on the platform.
Yeah.
They look good, by the way. You did a good job. The front, they have insane. They have. Oh, it helps so much. Now you did those pantograph games. It's awesome.
This is actually.
Okay.
Essentially, I got 3
Right.
This is Bay 50th Street.
They're hard to get right. There was one that I used a while ago that I think was
This is Coney Island, Stillwell Avenue.
Attention everyone, if you have
Oh shit.
Let's fall as far as I can.
Yo, I'll catch you in a bit. I'm gonna hang around.
This is a Coney Island, Stillwell Avenue bound D train. The next and last stop is Coney Island, Stillwell Avenue.
Stand clear of the closing doors, please.
It's at 30 or R11.
Oh, that's R11.
Yeah, R11. Here's a better picture. I never finished it, but yeah. But yeah, so it's, that's yeah. Uses like those one by one studs that have like a hole in the middle. Just slide the clip right through it. Works perfectly. And you can even have like the headlights sitting on behind.
Sometimes the power function headlights though, where you just have to use the bigger
Yeah. Actually, I also fixed it. I think it's like my 2022 R160. I had the tail lights. Gave me like one. Here we go. Where I used one of those. It's like the bracket piece on its side, so I had enough room for a standard light just to give it that.
That's your old R160.
Yeah, this is 2022. This is a while ago. But the new one doesn't have the lights. I have to use like my bricks for it.
I knew you told me that your R60 is in the back burner because it lost color.
So yeah, it's tan right now. It's pretty bad, but
Basically, some Concourse 60s.
yeah.
I mean, technically that's accurate though. So
I guess, yeah. No, it just looks like hilarious.
it's N3 68.
Thinking of redoing the 60, but once I do the 160 to 11,
68 is gonna be.
11 front is a pain in the ass.
Because I scrapped my soul on the last thing my
Oh, you broke it?
since Bricklink Studio is the last one to go, like, you know what?
The
I'll
angles
take
are,
apart.
yeah. I've been spending the past few nights trying to get the angles on front to 11. Because I had one from like almost a month ago.
Allow is against the rules and very dangerous to ride or walk a clean train car unless it's an emergency.
Before it got nuked, I'm like,
This is Coney Island, Stillwell Avenue.
Attention everyone, if you have questions or need to report an issue to the police, the NYC is located at the station.
Transfer is available to the F, M, and T trains. This is an accessible station. The elevator is at the rear of the platform.
And it had like, you could actually have the headlights. I don't know, it's too tall for like my new one. It might work for you.
it's like that. Make it like that. It's like,
The first car.
Yeah, it's. Yeah, I don't know how many.
I got my first one.
Remember the last time in Gita Coney? You were literally going sticking your toe out. That was you.
I was like,
There were people literally sticking their tongue out right here at the window.
yeah, that was so long ago. That was so long ago. I wonder if he's trying to.
This is the last time on this train.
because the 62 is our first.
All right, please exit the train. This is the last stop.
Neither of them are motorized, but actually we could probably pick them up.
All right, here goes up.
It's like a train.
All right, make sure look for the photos over there.
Definitely text me where going back northbound is going to be the Watts Express.
This is the last stop on this train. Everyone, please leave the train. Thank you for riding with MTA New York City Transit.